Do you want your 2015 and up Subaru WRX to make an additional 150 horsepower, reduce your IATs by 100 degrees, and rid your engine of carbon buildup? With Snow Performance's Stage 2.5 boost cooler for the 2015 and up Subaru WRX, all of this is possible and more. Water-Methanol can increase your pump gas octane by up to 25 points, allowing you to make more power safely and efficiently. The colder, denser air charge allows you to run more timing and boost out of an engine that's running cooler than ever. That's not all either. When you run Water-Methanol through your engine, it cleans the combustion chambers and removes carbon buildup. The complete system comes with a billet aluminum Water-Methanol throttle body spacer plate, 2 of our hypersonic nozzles for the ultimate in distribution and atomization, braided stainless lines, Water-Methanol resistant 4AN fittings offering unsurpassed reliability and ease of installation, and our 300 PSI ultra high output pump for more flow than the competition. Our Stage 2.5 systems include our progressive VC50 controller that proportionally injects more or less Water-Methanol according to your boost pressure. Proportional injection according to boost pressure gives you the most accurate delivery of Water-Methanol, which allows for cooling and performance improvements over a wide range for improved drivability. The start and full points are fully adjustable for the engagement and delivery curve to match exactly what your engine requires. The VC50 controller offers the functionality of a boost gauge and Water-Methanol controller all in one. Highlighting a 7-color OLED screen, you can tailor the controller to match your OEM gauges or mix and match up to 2 colors for whatever kind of look you'd like. If you're ready to level up your Subaru, this is the system for you. If you have any questions, you can visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.